Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love reading, Cancer. I'll be spreading out the card, guys, and I'll take them randomly. I'll pick out 3 cards randomly. Cancer, okay, guys. So these are 3 cards. Okay, Cancer. Today you may feel very emotional. Okay, guys. So you just want to blurt out what you feel, okay, or this may be your person's energy, okay. So instead of spontaneously saying what you feel, okay, you just need time to listen to what other people are speaking, okay. Think clearly before you voice out your emotions, okay. So you need to find the balance, guys. You should not hurt the other person, okay. And this may be your person's energy also, maybe for some of you all, okay. So when you think before you speak, guys, it's not going to hurt anybody, and it's going to be beneficial for you in the long run, okay. And you can let go of the bad memories, okay. Maybe you were having a hard time with your person, okay, and now it's a time to let go of the sad memories, okay. So both of you can move on, guys. Both of you can stop the cycle of blame, okay. No need to blame others for what has happened, okay. So maybe your person is blaming you, or you're blaming your person, okay. So now is the time to release all the hurt feelings and stopping the blame game, okay. And both of you can move on, okay. Maybe few friends are helping you, or your family, they may be helping you, okay. Or you may be helping them, guys. You may be helping somebody, okay, to overcome the hurt, okay, and letting go of the past, okay. When you maybe you're participating in some kind of um, helpful activity in your community, okay, some kind of social work maybe. So I see that energy also here, guys. So when you help somebody, not only with money, with your time, okay, with your words, when you counsel somebody, okay, encourage somebody, help them overcome the hurt, okay, maybe in their personal life or in your office, okay, help some colleague, okay. So it it all just helps us, guys, in the long run. When you do something good for others, it just comes back to us, okay. So it helps us to heal together, okay. So compassion, being compassionate, helps us in the long run, guys. So you're being very compassionate today, okay. At the same time, you're feeling very emotional, you feel like crying, okay, or your person is crying, okay. Maybe they want to come back to you, okay, ask sorry to you, okay. So I'm getting this kind of energy here, Cancers, okay. They may be crying for you, guys, okay. So let's see what's coming up in the other card. Let me pick out 3 cards from the other deck. Key, okay. Stars, heart, Okay, guys. Okay, Cancer. So, with these cards, I feel maybe for some of you all in your work, you're aspiring for something great, okay? Or in your personal life, you're emotional, you're hurt, you're crying, okay, about what has happened, or your person is crying, they are apologizing to you, okay? Maybe you're dreaming about a happy future together, okay? Or in your work you may be dreaming of achieving something great, okay? So you're feeling inspired in some way. There is what to say, positivity, guys. Today you're once you let go your emotions, okay, you just what to say, you just get that clarity, okay. When you let go your emotions, you feel that clarity, okay. And maybe you're healing from the past, or if your person has apologized to you, maybe you are back uh, to good understanding with your person, okay. You're getting back with your person, or you're meeting your family and friends whom you love a lot, okay, with whom you're very close, okay. And uh, Cancers, whatever we want to achieve, we need to think of our goals, guys. We need to happily associate ourselves, okay. Dream about us, how we are going to reach the goals. When we do that, we subconsciously empower ourselves, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. So today you may be dreaming about how things will turn out, okay, in your personal life or in your work, okay. So you can overcome all the hurdles you face, okay, guys. When you feel that power within yourself to achieve what you really want in life, okay, when you think of it, okay, um, often when you dream and think about any goal you want to reach in life, okay, you just empower yourself, okay. So you will surely attain it, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. So it's a time for you to overcome uh, the past by forgiving your person, okay. If they are crying and apologizing to you, okay. Or if this is your energy, you can go talk to your person, okay. If you really want this relationship to work, if you're really dreaming about it, okay, if you really want it to work, you can talk to them, communicate with them, guys. And what to say, make it work, okay, if that is what you want. So that's the energy I'm getting here, Cancers. And the slogan for today is freedom is love, guys. When we give freedom to the person we love, okay, or when they give freedom to us, okay, to do what we like and speak what we like, okay, it just means they trust us, okay. They have that confidence in us, okay. So freedom is love, guys. So this is the happy intention for today. So you can try and practice it, okay. So it will help you a long way, guys. That's all for today, Cancer. Thanks for watching, guys. So I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancer.